Let's say we want to figure out the equation of the line that is parallel to this blue line but goes through this red point right here. Well, the first thing we need to know is that parallel lines have the exact same slope, right? This makes sense intuitively. Parallel lines should have the exact same steepness. If they didn't, they would run into each other at some point. So, the equation of the line that we want to find is going to involve the slope and the y-intercept. So, if the line we're trying to figure out is parallel to this line, then if we figure out the slope for this given line, then we can figure out the slope for the line that we want to find. So let's do that. 2 points that this line goes through is 3, 0, and 0, -2. So let's calculate the slope of the blue line. So the blue slope is going to be, well, if we call that x1, y1, and x2, y2, then our slope being y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is going to be -2 minus 0 over 0 minus 3, or -2 over -3, which is 2/3. So the slope of the blue line in our picture is 2/3, and since it's parallel to the line that we're looking for, that means the slope of our line is also 2/3. So we know that our equation is going to be y equals 2/3 x plus some intercept b. Now we just have to figure out what that is. We also know our line goes through this point, -6, 0. So plugging that into the point slope form, we get y minus 0 equals 2/3 x minus -6. Simplifying, we get y equals 2/3 x plus 2/3 times 6, which becomes y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Here we see the original line that we had graphed, the point that our line went through, and then we see the line that we found the equation for. So this is y equals 2/3 x plus 4.